Kwa mbele ni Jochiw thieth manondik kinde korona virus chenro mar universal health coverage obago ng'anyo nyaka apis mar Gavana Elgeyo Marakwet mar Sundo County no mondo mi ondik gi yo mongirore. Jochiw thieth gi mohewa 250 koni gitiye lwasi marach mar tich gi osara matin kata bed ni jowete gi magitiyo godo marom to yudo osara maber. Ute thieth duto 32 mantiere county no osebedo kod midhiero e chiwo thieth madwarore nikech ng'anyo mar jochiw thieth go masani ni odiochieng' mar
our 3-year contract ended. We were given another 3-year contract. Then they discussed, they said by this year they will absorb us. Fenye iwaka ilisha, they absorbed us. They want to extend the contract. Some of us are reaching. We are almost our retiring age and still in contract. We are just telling the government to absorb us.
I am 47 years old right now. There are some of my colleagues who are 50 years and 45 years. And now, if I will be put on a contract extension, I will be 50 years. It means I will work only for 3 years before retirement.
We don't want extension of contract. We want a permanent and pensionable term.
We have 32 health facilities that are closed, and I want to say UHC staff have been doing a lot of work. They have been the backbone of work in this county. And today, even the facilities that are still open,